Welcome to part 77 of this Airbnb Clone Ruby on Rails series. There is one thing that we missed, which is profile picture in this personal information section. I missed it because it was not part of the database table. So let's quickly do that. We don't have to do a lot here. Just copy this, paste this in our edit profiles, and instead of text field, we have to use file field. Save, and we'll use picture here and refresh. We'll have to change the UI a bit. Label is correct. Let me check this choose button. Input is choose button, and inside that we have a profile. Okay, this I won't focus on the UI in this. It's fine. Let's get rid of everything else. Refresh. No file chosen. Great. So what we'll do is we'll make it called span full. Yes. And let's try this. Okay, but before we try this, in our model, in our API call, we will have to accept this also. So let's go to not controller. Where is controller? Profiles controller, and in this, let's accept this picture. Let's try this. And save. And you can see the profile picture has been updated successfully. So that's how it is. If you want, you can still show the profile picture here. You can do that similar to what we have done in header. Where is header? Let's go to header, views, layouts, header, and in that we do have a image, right? So let's copy this and paste it here for now. I'll use @profile.picture. Let's keep it something like this. Instead of 8, let's make it 16 by 16. Item center. Let me have a look at this. Profile picture. Let me go to our font light is working, so we'll use medium. And anything else? But font can be inherited. Oh, okay. I won't go in depth of it. I think it's fine. So that's the small change that I was thinking of. That's it. Thank you. Bye bye.